Ah, there we go. What's up, everybody? Hello, hello, hello. No, we don't need that. What is up? Jacob Foster. Hello. Hello, Mr. Jacob Foster. Hello, how are you doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. Let's see, give me 1 minute because apparently my shit is acting a little up real quick. End the fucking thing. God damn, bro. I don't give a flying fuck. Give me 1 minute, let me see. Hold on, you guys, I gotta redo it again. Today is court day. It is court day, so we are gonna be in court today. I am not doing anything court-wise, because I'm a firefighter. I'm just attending because I feel like it. So we're just attending, just because we feel like it as of right now. So we're not exactly doing anything court-wise. We're just sitting there watching, so just be prepared to just sit there and just listen in on what's happening. This is court day. Ooh, you're gonna jail? No, it's not for me. It's not for me. I'm not the one who's going to court. I'm just watching the court. I'm watching. That's what I am doing. Yeah, that's all I'm technically doing. Yeah, it's technically all I'm doing, technically. I mean, I can't really do anything much about court-wise, but that's technically all I'm really doing. Maybe, that's if my my SLRP works. If not, then we may not be doing SLRP today. But yes, today is court day! How are you doing, Roblox? How are you, buddy old pal? Hope you're doing great. I hope you're doing hope you're doing fantastic. Fuck. Can't speak today. Oh, we must be in the team speak. Are you fucking serious? I did not know you're supposed to be in the team speak. This is the first time I've ever done court, so I've never done court.
Connected. User entered your channel. Channel switched. User joined your channel. User joined your channel.
Alright, I gotta do my me character real quick, because I really have to fucking put on a uniform. Not a uniform, I gotta put on a, fucking, whatchamacallit, some type of, like a, what's it called? A suit. So I gotta put on a suit. Let me find something that's screaming suit right now. Sorry, I'm trying to find something that's screaming suit right now. Ew, I don't like either one of those. Was gonna do something with a tie, but I don't think a tie is gonna be needed today. I'm gonna try and get me some type of, like, black pants if I can. No, so I'm gonna go with this one. This is kind of screaming black pants. There we go. How do I look like that? I look like a hobo, don't I? Why do you cuss so much? I don't know. I've been trying to get that dealt with. I'm trying to kind of not as much, but it's okay. Oh, that's good right there. Okay, I actually like this one right here. This is really good right here. Is there, like, something that'll, like, take us to the courthouse, or no? No, there's nothing over here that'll take us to the courthouse, but we are gonna go to the, you know what? We're gonna go down to, where am I gonna go? We're gonna go to the city garage, where would it be? We're gonna go to the court center. Court center is where we need to go to get our vehicle. I've never driven this vehicle. It has been a while since I drove this vehicle. This vehicle I drove a long time ago. This vehicle I have not driven in so long. Let me see if I still have the vehicle. Where's it at? I think I have the vehicle. I think it is this one, actually. Yes, it is actually this one. So we're gonna transfer it over here. We're gonna return and drive. Fuck, I can't get this one. Ah! We're gonna have to steal somebody's vehicle for now, because I gotta go down there. Oh my god. Can you, like, not hit me? Thank you. Temporarily, we're just gonna steal someone's car because I ain't got time nor the place to do it. I wonder if I can do an extra on that vehicle. Can I do an extra on that vehicle or no? If not, we're just gonna have to take this. You look like 1980s lawyer. Shut the fuck up. Don't ever compare me to a 1980s lawyer. Ever. Oh, it does work. Okay, thank God. Don't ever compare me to a 1980s lawyer ever again. Ever. And I mean ever. Compare me to one. Bro, I will fucking kill you if you ever call me a 1980s lawyer ever again. I hate that shit, bro. What am I toggling? That's a drink. Okay, I think we're just gonna have a drink in our car. Okay, where are we going? Where are we going? I gotta figure out where we're going because there's a postal we're supposed to go to. / post. Oh my god. Postal where? $7249. Okay, we're going. Bro, it's been so long since I did this, and I never expected I would do this ever again. So it's okay. Why do I have a Burger Shot cup in here? Okay, no, detoggle it. I'm driving classy today. We're driving classy today. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, Jacob, I'm trying to not because I'm trying to get used to not cussing so much because, I mean, it's something I do want to change this year is to not cuss as much because I'm always cussing all the time. But that is something I do want to change sometime. Let me make sure that I don't have anything on me. I'm going to leave everything I have in the car because I really don't need any of this stuff. We're going to see if I can put these in there. No, all I really have is just a wallet, some waters, and stuff like that. That's mainly about it. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just leave this in the backpack anyway, so it's fine. I do have the lieutenant's. This isn't mine, but I'm gonna leave it in here because I really don't need it as much. I can probably need it whenever I'm done, but because they're gonna search you when you get there. They have to search you when you get there, so that's why I'm going. down here. I can already see the courthouse right here to our left. There's no RPing in the server as right now, so we can just fly through this shit right now. Yep, and there's already civs out here already. So I'm gonna go ahead and find a parking spot, and then... Looks like I can do a parking spot right over here. Let me see if I can. Fuck! My shit crashed, give me a minute. Give me a minute, let me reopen it back up real quick. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Give me a minute. Hold on. Hold on. I did not expect me to crash right there, bro. Give me a minute. But yeah, no, I don't look like a 1980s lawyer. Why would you say that I would do that? Is unavailable right now. Okay. Hold up. I don't know what that was, or what it, like, exactly what it was, but I have enough space. My 5M is not... It's in a different drive completely, so that makes no sense on why it's right there. No! Where's the server that I was on? Why can't I join? That makes no sense on why the fuck... Why can't I join? Let me see something real quick. Give me a second. I'm not sure why it's not wanting to work today. But we're finna find out here in a second. Where is it? That makes no sense. You guys won't have access to this anyway, so it really don't matter if you guys see it or not. Okay, why is it not working? It's not wanting to work at all. Oh, maybe that's why. I figured it out, that's why. I figured it out. It's fine. I got it. Give me a minute. Let me see if it'll work again. Hold on. Hopefully it works, but I don't know. We're finna find out here in a second. I don't know why it did that, but it's weird that it did that. There we go. I don't know why it did that, but okay. It was so weird on why it did that. It should have never done that before. Ever to where SLRP. Now it's wanting to pop SLRPs up. Like, what? That makes no sense whatsoever. We're gonna go find a parking spot because we do need to find a parking spot. We are having a little bit of issues. We are running a little late, 20 minutes late. But it's A-okay. So we're all good. We're A-okay. We're A-okay. About to start an SSU from my server, and I'm okay. How about you? I'm good. Hopefully.
Microphone muted.
Okay, we're here. We're here. Chris Tolbert, what's up? What is up, buddy? Hello. Bro said, yo, Galaxy. What's up, buddy? We're gonna go ahead and park over here. I'm gonna try and get a parking spot, but who knows? I may not be able to get a parking spot. I actually might be able to park right here. It's okay. Try not to get in the fire hydrant because the little fire area, because I don't want to get my car shit towed. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're here. I think they got a deputy outside. They do. Is the courthouse not opened, or is it like what? I've never. Oh god. I've never seen Captain here. In a suit, to be exact. How you doing? You're doing good? That's good. I'm doing wonderful as well. We're waiting for the place to open up, so just bear with us for a moment. We're just waiting for the place to open up real quick. I shouldn't have anything on me besides a duffel bag. That's it. That's just personal stuff that I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my trunk real quick. So let me go ahead and put that in my trunk, because I don't want to have a little issue with that. Oh my god! Why did I need to see that? I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. I'm only gonna need one of those for now. So I'll go ahead and put that in there as well. So it's all good. We'll have one of these. We'll also have our wallet and then our drink as well. So we should be good. I really don't need this flashlight though. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the back of my trunk, and then whenever we go back and we leave this place, then yeah. So for now, we're not gonna have as much. I did not. This is the first time I'm ever doing anything with like court-wise. It's been a while since I've been I've never been in this courthouse before. So, never gone to a courthouse or anything. There we are. I did not expect to see that right there. I'm gonna go over here for a sec and just have a seat right here. Can I like sit here or no? I wonder if it has like a... Damn, someone's impatient, bro. He's sitting there knocking. Oh my god, who is this?
Hi.
Jesus. Hello.
You smell good.
Thank you. Is that a ball? I'm gonna kill myself. I don't want to do this. Hello.
Oh my god, you smell real good, dog.
I appreciate it. Oh my god, I'm getting weirded out. I just got weirded the fuck out just now. Ew. Why be next to me? Why hug me out of everyone in the group? Maybe. No.
Open the fucking doors! Oh my god.
How you doing? Oh my god.
User in your channel timed out.
Oh god. Ew, I'm getting my shoes
User
dirty.
entered your channel. User disconnected from your channel. User joined your channel. User entered your channel.
I won't ever take out this character unless needed. So I'll never ever take out this character. This character would usually mainly be for like courthouse stuff, so this character will mainly be used for courthouse stuff. Sorry. You'll hardly ever see me using this. But yeah. Let's see. You're still causing? What do you mean causing? Causing what? Unless you mean cussing. I don't think I was cussing, but someone's impatient. Jesus. That must be Valorant. Or it could be Mark. I have a feeling it's Mark. That has to be Mark that's over there. I think I did the wrong one. Hold on. No, it's fine. F4CR3. We don't really need that, so we're just gonna close that. They must be running a little late. I wonder what we're all waiting here for. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's like a little like a, I don't know. Like a, I don't know, something that has to do with, not that. There's like a star or something, not a star, but there's like a flag you can use on it, which us FD I really use, so, I mean, I can use it. I'm trying to find it, but I can't find it. Probably because I'm in all the parachutes. None of those. It's definitely not there, so it must be in the scarves and chains, then. Trying to see if there's one that's closed. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Let's see if I can try and open this, but... No, we're gonna go with this, it's fine. I feel like a fat ass, bro. Wait, what is that? Okay, that's better. How are you doing? Ugh.
Doing well. How are you?
I'm doing good. I've never seen you in a suit
put the
before.
poor man down.
Yeah, it happens.
What?
Did you empty your pockets?
Yes, I sure did. I've only, not all of it,
business.
but I've got my phone, that's it.
Anything career related is all you need to worry about.
Okay. Yeah, no, all I've got is the lunchbox on me and my phone, that's it. That's mainly about it. Yep. Parade rest? Yeah, I know. Ugh. I'm gonna cross my arms. Actually, let me see if there's a... I know there's a walking style I use. I think it's the paramedic that I use. Ugh. Is it not that one? No, it is that one. Did someone hit my motherfucking car? FD tool related. Okay, yeah, I already did that. I left my bag in there too, so I technically should be good. But yeah, no, it's all good. I'm gonna just put them all over here. I'm a walk professional. I wonder if I can have a briefcase. Like... Is there like a briefcase or something you can hold? Yeah, there is. Yeah, but I'm not using a briefcase. I'm not here to fucking represent anybody. I'm here to by myself. Again, dude, but, let me see. Let me see something real quick. Cross hands. There we go. There we go,
User
so...
joined your channel.
Is that Justine over there?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, cussing? Yeah, I know. I gotta fix that. Let's see. I'm gonna be in my head for a second, guys. Give me 1 second. I gotta go deal with something.
I didn't know court. Flags and colors and everything.
Oh my god. What did you say, Dalton? You're if you were speaking. I thought I saw your mouse moving, but I'm not sure.
I said I didn't know court was on Saturday.
The fuck day is today? Today's Sunday.
What?
What?
Today's Sunday.
Yeah. Isn't
Oh
it?
shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I have a meeting in 30 minutes. fired.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go, Marvel.
User disconnected from your channel.
Alright, guys, we're going in. We can come in now.
You're good. Go in the courtroom.
Disturbing
Next.
to you, maybe.
What's
I
the?
can
Is
give
it
them to you
the?
on the way out. Sir, you can come over here.
Thank you. Next.
You are all good. Go ahead and the doors to the right.
Thank you, man.
Sorry. Yes.
The flashlight is a weapon. You're good. Head into the courtroom.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're all
Thank
good.
you. You're good to go.
Yep. Thank you.
I took hang on. I took 4 pairs of pants.
Handcuff keys.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna have to ask you to take a seat before we get started here.
I can't stand.
I'd ask you to take a seat.
I saw your face and you was-
Yes.
I don't want to sit down.
Empty seat.
Brody's here too.
It's not a rule. I have to sit down here.
Now, please.
I see what we're doing. I see what we're doing.
Let's
see
not
what's-
have some
I see what's
complications
going on.
before we even get started here.
More
I'll ask you to
harassment from the
leave.
LSSO. More harassment.
Is that Ember in the church uniform? Which one? No, that was Sydney. That was Sydney in the LSSO uniform. Ember's not here.
You go man the front door. Herd people in, search them, make sure.
Yeah, I just you want me to. Hello, what's your name?
Oh god.
Huh?
Is that Dave?
Oh, Dave. That's a cute name.
I appreciate it.
I like your tattoo.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. What's your name?
I'm Marvin.
I don't care.
Damn.
Yeah,
Okay. Damn. Jesus.
That was rude.
I feel upset now. I fucking hate whoever that was. It's okay. I'm not worried about it. Ugh. Jesus. I think she likes you.
I hope not.
Shut
I
up over
think
there.
they
No
do.
talking in the courtroom.
Green suit. Take your hat off. Please and thank you.
I'll tell him.
And camo, whatever that is, hat off.
Sir,
please.
take your hat now.
I know.
I'll rest you. Thanks.
I think she's doing the.
Yes.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. She said, that guy smells like piss. Did not expect it. Can you send me Sydney's YouTube channel? Yeah, I gotcha. Give me 1 second. I gotcha. Yep, I gotcha. Let me go get it for ya. I gotcha. Let me see if I can find it. I know she was actually
Bathroom in here yet?
streaming, not too long ago, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, it's winter. Oh, hello. Jacob Foster, there's Sydney's YouTube channel there for you. So if you want to go see it, there's her channel as well. Because I know you're gonna want to see it. But she does stream as well. She's the command COC for civilian, so she does a lot of streaming over there. So don't ask. But yeah, so she does a lot of streaming over there. So if you want to look at it, that's up to you. But yeah, she does do streaming there. Sorry, but you're welcome. It's me, JJ. Hey JJ. No, you're welcome. Jacob, you're welcome. We're actually in court right now. I'm not going up there. I don't do that. I just came here to come watch. But yeah, just so you guys are wondering, those who are just joining in the stream or just tuning into the stream, we are actually in SLRP in the court. So there's currently, as of right now, an ongoing court that's going on this right now. So there's court going on right now. So we are actually just sitting here, not doing crap right now. Let's see real quick. So there's a court that's going on today with some people who need court or whatever. It's up to them. We are actually doing some criminal, civil, and traffic cases that are today that they're doing. But yeah. What roles? JJ, what roles? What are you talking about for what roles? Are you talking about for staff and in the server? Chief Executive Officer. Unfortunately, we can't be doing that. We're not free ranking anymore. Since we went back to, with the public server, we're not free ranking. So if you want to be staff, you'll have to apply for it. Unfortunately, we do have applications that are open until the 11th of January. So if you want to apply, go to the announcements channel. Scroll up a little bit, and then you will see our staff applications. They close on the 11th, so just be aware that those will close on the 11th there. So you will have, today's the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. You have 6 days to do that. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. Yeah. So those close on the 11th, so you have 6 days to do those. Just so you're aware. But we're not going to be doing any of that, so you'll have to apply for it. What about for PD? PD has changed, so PD's being changed as of right now. So as for state and the sheriff's office, they're all being updated as of right now, so none of the departments are available to be released. Once they are released, people will have to apply for them, unfortunately. Unless if you talk to one of the higher rankings. So if you talk to me, because I'm in charge of PD, you can talk to me about it, about wanting to be PD, and then I'll just go from there. If you talk to the sheriff, which is Roblox, or you can talk to Zach, which is the commissioner of state. One of us three can probably get you in a department or whatever. Unfortunately, with Zach on how we decided on it, he's wanting us to have you guys have us go the same way. So, hold on.
Oh yay, oh yay, oh yay.
Oh my god.
This is the honorable court. Court Andreas and sitting for the dispatch of its business. God save the state and the full court. The Honorable Judge Rhinequest presiding. You may be seated.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for attending. Sorry for the delay. We had some paperwork issues to sort out in the back there. Mr. Pearson, you ready to proceed?
Yes, Judge.
All right. It's all you then, sir. Take it away. What do we got first?
Thank you, Your Honor. Appearing on behalf of the state for all cases going forward this afternoon, unless otherwise stated, Justin Pearson, bar number 239087. I believe we have two matters for an individual by the name of Johnny Stain. Is there a Mr. Stain in the courtroom?
Nope.
Well, in that case, Your Honor, I guess we're not ready to go with that one yet. Pending for a Justin Saunders. I believe we can take that case. That's the one.
Justina!
Watch where you're going.
Out the way. Oh my god. Stupid.
Not my
And,
fault, you
you-
big lady.
The court apologizes in case you weren't able to.
Oh shit.
Here, up on my batch.
I believe Miss Song represented my Mr. Ludendowski.
Donna.
Right. You want to enter your appearance for the record, Mr. Lewandowski?
Yes, sir. Your Honor. Arnold Lewandowski. 241204.
What case number are we looking at here, Mr. Pearson? I think he needed a minute to get his brain sorted out.
Exactly correct. That's my understanding. Should be here on criminal case 0115, State of San Andreas versus Justin Saunders. And
Oh,
once
Lord.
the defendant reappears, happy to lay out as I understand it.
All right. And I see we have a petition for a guilty plea that is filed in the case. I will read that over. We'll wait for it to reappear.
Oh, no, so yeah, no, as I was stating, JJ, is that Zach and I are making you guys go through your rankings again, go up the ranks. The reason being is because we need to be able to ensure that we can trust you with the ranks that we give you. It's not that I don't trust you, it's that as of right now, Zach does not trust anyone, so if Zach doesn't trust anyone, then I can't trust anyone as of right now, so that's why we're stating, as of right now, everyone has to go through the rankings to ensure that they know what they're doing, which means you'll have to go through everything completely. You'll have to get an understanding of how we're doing trainings and stuff like that. This includes ride-alongs as well, and go from there. So, it's how we're doing this as of right now. So, if you have an issue with it, take it up with Zach. Zach's the one who did that, so I really can't do anything about it.
Is he talking yet? I don't think I'm gonna sit down anyway.
I'm just testing the public address system here. Bing bong.
Loud and clear from here, Your Honor.
Miss, can you hear me? Can the rest of you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to ask you, can you make sure your client is got the earwax out? All that?
Hey, Justina, do me a favor. Get the earwax out of here, please. Justina. I apologize, Judge.
I don't have my tea later, so we've got time.
Hello. Oh.
Are you, Miss Saunders?
User disconnected from your channel.
We're still waiting. Okay, perfect.
All right, Mr. Lewandowski, are you prepared to proceed at this point?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Pearson, since this is the state bringing this case, I'll let you begin.
Thank you, Your Honor. Myself and the defense counsel have come to an agreement in this matter. In exchange for the defendant guilty in count 2 and 4, the state will move to dismiss counts 1 and 2. The state's recommendation will be 4 months of bench probation, with the standard probation conditions, with a few special conditions of probation. Count 2, driving crime, and the state will ask that the defendant's license be suspended for a period of 2 months, and they are ordered that while on probation, they shall not drive without a valid driver's license and insurance. And in count 4, a special condition to participate in and pass an anger management course, as count 4 had to do with criminal threats.
And Mr. Lewandowski, your position on this is you've reached that agreement with the DA. Happy to proceed. Your client's happy to proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. We are in agreement on all counts.
Not for the suspension.
Well, this sounds like your client
User
there
joined your
maybe
channel.
isn't on the same page.
Yeah,
What the fuck?
I do understand that, but we were in discussion privately a few days ago, and she did come to me with the conclusion that she would take this.
How long can I drive?
All right, Ms. Saunders, just to remind you, as I've reminded you, you've been here, you always have the right to remain silent and pause at any point to speak with your lawyer.
But I just want to know why I can't drive.
Could you speak a little bit, ma'am?
I just want to know. I just want to know what how long am I for?
I believe that Mr. Pearson said 2 months was the deal.
The state is requesting a suspension of the defendant's driver's license as the defendant was convicted of
What the
evading a
fuck?
peace officer in a motor vehicle traveling in opposite directions of traffic.
With
Oh.
a work
User joined your channel.
restricted license.
As I understand it, Your Honor, the DMV has the authority to issue the temporary
User joined your
permits
channel.
or temporary driver's licenses for work purposes. So the state has no objection to that.
Oh, thank God.
Understood. All right, Miss Saunders, as I go through all this, I gotta read you some things. I know your lawyer has talked about this with you already, but I need you to understand that you have the option to plead not guilty to any charge again, and should you choose to plead not guilty, the United States Constitution and the San Andreas Constitution guarantees you the right to a speedy and public trial by jury, the right to see, hear, and face in open court all witnesses called to testify against you, the right to use the power and processes of this court to compel in your favor, the right to have the assistance of a lawyer at all stages of the proceedings and to have one appointed if you are indigent. You also have the right to take the witness, and the district attorney cannot force you to testify against yourself. And lastly, if you do not take the witness stand, the jury would be told, that this cannot be held against you or will be told nothing at my option. You also understand that I have the right to require, or that you have the right to require the state to prove you guilty and any enhancement facts to the court beyond a reasonable doubt. You also understand that should you plead guilty, the court may impose the same punishment as if you had pled not guilty, stood trial, and had been convicted. It may take up to 4 days before you are sentenced. If you plead guilty, the maximum possible sentence is 364 days in jail and a fine of $1,000. Minimum $100 fine is mandatory. The sentence is determined only by this court, and in the event that the district makes or amends recommendations, the court is not required to accept or follow it. If you are not a citizen of the United States, you understand that a conviction of a crime may, under federal law, result in exclusion from admission to the United States or denial of naturalization. Understand that if you are on probation or parole in addition to the sentence imposed, you may be required to serve an additional sentence in that other case. Ms. Saunders, do you offer your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily and of your own accord with full all the matters set forth in the complaint and the petition?
Yeah, I'm just tired of dealing with this shit.
It's clear language, but I'll take that as a yes. Understand that if you try to withdraw your guilty plea or a court later reverses, vacates, or sets reinstate any charges that were dismissed in return for the plea deal, and the district attorney will no longer be bound by any promises he made to you in exchange for the plea. In addition, if the charge is reinstated, you agree that you will waive the statute of limitations and any constitutional speedy trial or double jeopardy rights applicable to the dismissed charges. Do you understand all of that?
Sure.
All right. The court finds that the defendant freely, voluntarily, willingly, and with knowledge of all possible consequences has made the decision to plead guilty in this case. I accept the plea petition. Counts 2 and 4. All actions requested by the district attorney will be imposed, including a 2-month driver's suspension. However, the court will allow for a work-related license to be issued should the defendant petition for it. Anything? Taste?
Nothing from bench, Your Honor.
Nothing.
As to sentencing. What's that?
It's nothing for
Saunders?
me.
Okay. Mr. Pearson, as to sentencing, you have a recommendation here?
Yes, Your Honor. The state requests that the defendant be put 4 months of bench probation as to counts 2 and 4, with all standard probation conditions. As I outlined earlier, the 2-month suspension pertaining to count 2. A special order on probation that the defendant shall not drive without a valid license and insurance, and that the defendant shall participate in and complete an anger management course and provide proof to the court of such.
Do we have a condition on her already for no alcohol, no drugs, without prescription?
Probation condition will be not to utilize narcotics without a valid medical prescription. Because this was not alcohol related, the state has not requested an alcohol condition.
Oh my God!
But of course,
thank
Your
God.
Honor has the right to do that.
I am going to impose one, given the
I
anger
object.
management issue. Saunders, don't interrupt me. That condition, the alcohol condition, will be dropped upon successful completion of the anger management course.
I'm just gonna sit there again.
The state would ask that a deadline be imposed on the anger management course of 2 months.
The court would agree there. It would run in line with the driver's license suspension so that we could final day and be done with this. And yes, Ms. Saunders.
Why can I drink? I don't understand.
Because it seems to me that from the report
Don't
that was
sigh.
done
You're supposed to be
by-
doing this stuff for me. Shut up and listen. Sorry. Go ahead.
Again, please watch your language. He's fighting on your behalf. Sounds like you have some issues you got to work out from when I had you sent for a competency evaluation and everything.
But it doesn't have to do with alcohol.
I understand, but I don't believe that with your issues with anger management, that drinking any alcohol in the interests of justice or your own case. I think it'd be good for you a month break. And if you get the anger management class done in 2 weeks, then you're done with the alcohol prohibition in 2 weeks. It's just as long as it takes you to get that class done.
Whatever.
Okay. Disregard the snide comment. court will impose a 4-month probation, along with the other conditions outlined, and the minimum fine of $100 plus $355 in court costs payable to the clerk of the court. Sentence is imposed, and I consider this until we see you again. Please don't try and go to the DMV, or you can come back to me for exemption, or if there are compelling reasons you need to drive, come back to me when you have proof of that the anger management class completed, and I will remove the alcohol clause from your conditions of probation. All right?
Okay.
Thank you very much. You may go.
Be seeing you, motherfucker.
All right. So 0115 is closed. We'll recall that in 2 months. Mr. Pearson, is that going to be the Johnny Stain, or did you have something else you want to cover first?
I believe my email, Your Honor. There's a handful of cases eligible to be called. I'm fine with in whatever order you call them, Your Honor.
All right, Johnny Stain, are you here in the court today?
Nope.
Johnny Stain, nope. Brian Odell, are you here?
Nope.
Will Travolsky?
Nope. Wait, no, he is.
Mr. Travolsky there?
Yeah, it's me.
Yes, no?
Yeah.
All right, sir. Step forward.
Wait, where do I go?
Oh my god, this is fucking this is fun. This is actually fun. Oh my god, I'm having fun.
All right, Mr. Travolsky, before we get started here, I'm going to have the bailiff swear you in. I'm going to pull it.
All right, Mr. Travolsky, can you... Do you swear to tell the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, and Mr. Pearson's appearing on behalf of the people. Appearance is already noted for the record. Was an attorney, because this is a traffic, right? To do it at your own expense. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You also against you by the prop.
Yeah.
All right. Believe we're here for the charge of the issuing officer, Sergeant Guzman. Who do we know, is he on duty today? I don't have bailiff. I don't have the roster. Do you know if he's around?
Negative, Your Honor.
All right. Well, Mr. Travolsky, how do you plead to the charge of improper driving? Improper parking, excuse me.
I don't know what. It's my first time in court.
So you can choose to plead not guilty, which means that you believe the allegations set forth by Sergeant Guzman is untrue or that they did not commit that offense. You could plead guilty, saying that you accept responsibility for the offense, or you could plead no contest, which is the same functional effect as a guilty plea without you admitting guilt. You're just allowing the court to take that as an inference and sentence you as if you had pled guilty without you admitting guilt. If you stay mute and choose not to enter a plea, I will enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf.
I'll say guilty.
Guilty. Guilty.
You know that waives your
Just
right
it must have application.
to
Okay. Well, the applications will close on the 11th, so I will go ahead and review them on the after the 11th.
documents related.
So on the 11th it'll end, and then I'll go ahead and start grading them. You'll have 24 hours. So after the 11th, I'll start grading them over the 24 hours, and then after the 24 hours after they're closed, you'll get your results, and then whether you pass or not.
It means basically, and I'm going to speak to you frankly because you don't have an attorney and you're not an attorney. What that means is it can't go back on this. Once you plead guilty, there is no undoing it. It will stay on your record forever.
Okay.
And you still wish to plead?
Yeah, I mean, I did plead.
Was there any mitigating circumstance? Could you tell me about any reason why you had to park there that even though you broke the law, you might think would help me understand why you did it?
Probably not, no.
Fuck. Okay. Give me a moment. I gotta fucking redo 5M again. But yeah, no, as I said, I'll go ahead and check it after. So whenever I go ahead and look at, so I'll go ahead and look after, and then, so though the applications will close, once the application has closed, sorry, give me a second. So once the applications have closed, I'll basically go ahead and take a look at them, and then determine who passes and who doesn't, and then go from there. So if you have any questions or may have any concerns about it, we'll go from there. Okay. Alrighty. Come on, get the fuck back in, bro! Get the fuck back in, bro! Get in! I gotta stop cussing, bro. I've got to. It's a habit, though. It's a habit. I've been doing it since I turned 16, bro. For 3 years now, I've been doing it for. Yeah. 3. Oh god, that hurts.
Okay. Alright, I find you guilty as to the improper parking in violation of St. Andreas Vehicle Code Section 2200 subsection F. You are to pay $250 to the court clerk. And then this matter is resolved. I appreciate you coming in and being honest with me, sir.
I do now.
If you don't have the money, you need to talk to the court clerk about getting on a payment plan. You're going to have to find a way to pay for this. So we're going to keep the matter open until you pay the fine. it can be a couple months. They can spread it out. They can work with you. You just got to trying to find a job, or that maybe parents can help you pay. You know, there's options to work with the district attorney. He can help negotiate some payment plan for you. But I will leave this case open until you pay the fine, and I'm going to impose a maximum deadline of 6 months. If in 6 months this is still not, I'll issue a warrant for your to pay, and I will suspend your driver's license. You understand? All right. You're free to go, sir.
User disconnected from your channel.
Wait! Wait!
Stain here.
Yeah.
All right, you may step forward, sir. Bailiff.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth? You
User
got.
was moved to your channel.
I do.
Isn't there something that has to do with your hand or something like that? No, there's not.
All right,
Damn.
Mr. Stain.
It's okay.
You are charged with a misdemeanor offense. So what we're gonna do today,
Your Honor,
is we're gonna. Yes.
the state has a motion. Both Mr. Staines matters.
Okay.
In review
Mr.
of. Pardon me,
Just
go
one
ahead.
second, Mr. Pearson. Mr. Stain, you can go ahead and take his seat at the table across Pearson while he goes through what he has for me here.
Right.
User in your channel timed out.
Thank you, Your Honor. Upon review of Mr. Staines' charging instruments, it at a Deputy Arlo in case 51861 provided a citation to the defendant for a misdemeanor charge. That's the improper format in which to file a misdemeanor charge. The state hereby moves to dismiss.
In the interest of justice, or would you be amenable to a refiling by the charging deputy, since that is an administrative error?
I am moving to dismiss in the interest of justice this time, but would not be moving to dismiss with prejudice. So without prejudice, Your Honor.
Well, Mr. Stain, that's for both of your cases, unlawfully causing a fire, and the other one is also a misdemeanor, Mr.
It appears that in that one, Your Honor, there's a reckless driving charge, which is a misdemeanor, and then there's a drive blood operate since the deputy did not select he as a misdemeanor or a violation. So I would have to motion to dismiss.
Oh
both
yeah,
of
yeah,
those
yeah.
without prejudice.
I remember that one, the operation one. There was just a mix up with DNA, and I got that corrected.
Okay, so here's what we'll do. We'll hold that matter in abeyance. You can get with an attorney and provide proof that that was all incorrectly done by the DB. I will accept this, and I would direct the district attorney to reach out to those deputies and have them correct the administrative paperwork there and serve the defendant with updated charging documents. So, Mr. Stain, what that means is right now your case is being dismissed, but the state reserves the right to bring this prosecution against you in the future when the charging documents are updated. Doesn't mean that they necessarily will, but they have the ability if they desire. Do you understand?
Oh yeah. I was just coming in to pay the fines. I knew I messed up.
Do you wish to just plead guilty anyways and resolve
Well,
all of this?
It's just gonna be a fine for it. Yeah, I'll just pay the fines.
Your Honor, the state has not had an opportunity to review these cases. I don't have a plea offer if we're looking at misdemeanor charges. The defendant could be facing jail time.
Okay. So what we'll do is we'll set this out. Yeah. Sounds like I will leave the no valid operator license charge open, and I will dismiss the misdemeanors without prejudice. With directive to the DA's office to reach out to the charge officer to ask them if they intend to refile the charges alleged in those two citation documents. We will set the driver's license issue for February the 2nd, I believe, is the date that we next have on the docket.
Yes, Your Honor, that's my understanding.
All right. So, Mr. Stain, those two misdemeanor charges against you are dismissed as of now. And if you want to plead guilty on the no valid operator's license and pay the fine, you can do that still. Or you can choose to plead not guilty and proceed to trial.
All right. Well, I mean, it was just a simple mix-up with DMV, and it's all fixed. So, I think I better consult an attorney.
Okay, so I'll end guilty on your behalf. Case will remain open, and it'll be scheduled. You'll be required to appear here the next, which I believe is February the 2nd.
All right.
All right, sir. Thank you for showing up to court.
Yep.
I'll just ask that you please take care not to violate more laws while you're out there. Those can come back if the deputies file the paperwork correctly. So just keep your head down and stay out of trouble. All right.
All righty.
I believe there was an additional case here to be called, but upon review of my file, it has a court date of February the 2nd. I think that maybe we just need to push this case out to February 2nd. And that is a Mr. Brian Odell.
Is that a misdemeanor offense too?
It's a misdemeanor written on a citation template, Your Honor.
Okay, we won't even call. Just hold it over. That'll go for the next docket.
Thank you, Judge. To my knowledge, I believe that all the pre-scheduled cases, in the event anyone's here for walk-in court, I am.
All right. Heard what Mr. Pearson just said. If anyone has an open ticket, or you've already paid the fine and you wish to continue,
1 second, you guys. Give me
step
one
forward.
moment.
Oh, sir.
Yes, is this thing on? Yes, hello, hello.
Yes. And you're yes. Don't tap the microphone.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. So, I my dog stanza, and recently I had a trespass warning. If and I do, if I would like to get it on my record if a review.
Okay. Do you have a record ID for me or anything, sir, from the trust that you were issued?
Yes, I wrote it here on my hand. I believe it is 51769.
Are you going up there at all? No, I'm not going up there at all. I'm a firefighter. We don't get, we can get citations, but I don't have anything on me. I don't have anything on me, so I don't have to go up there
Just so
at
you
all.
know, even though this isn't a criminal case, you do still have the right to remain silent, and you have the right to...
So that is not for me at all.
In court can be used against you by the state. You understand?
But yeah, no, that's not for me,
yes,
though.
Your Honor.
So.
Okay, do you want to tell me what happened here? Because I see this occurred in Toledo, and looks like you were on somebody's roof. Would you mind in the court what happened?
So back in the day.
Give me 1 second, chat. I'll be right back.
When my grade school teacher, right, he told us that, hey, whenever you guys are grown up and you want to stop by, please go ahead and stop by. Now, this is the last known residence that I knew of my grade school teacher living at. So I decided to go by and be, because I got to get my moon bathing in. It helps my skin out as best as I can be. So there's a couple of friends, and I was just there to moon
Sir,
bathe.
I didn't mean to interrupt you. Did you say moon bathing?
Yes, sir. Moon bathing in the moon. It's kind of what like werewolves do in those TV shows, but except for like